What's up, guys? You know, living with a beard, sooner or later, you're going to wake up with this hot mess on your face, looking like you just went through a bad round of prison sex. You got two choices. You shave all this stuff off, or you get it under control. Today I'm going to walk you through some products from my man Tex over at Barn Brand Beards. And in this little fragile box are going to be the key ingredients to get this turd under control. So let's stop yapping. Let's take this show on the road. Let's hit the shower. You're not going. I'm back. Shower is done. I'm all blown out. All the products from Barn Brand Beards were phenomenal. As usual, I actually did a little trim action too, just to clean it up a little bit more, but I couldn't be happier. Let's walk through some of the products that I just used from Tex at Barn Brand Beards. So first of all, let's look inside the box. Here's something that I think is really cool that we don't see enough of nowadays, is just these little handwritten notes here and there. And you know, when I open a box, Caliber Coffee Company did something very similar. I think RDS Man does the same thing. Just some really cool stuff. It gives it an extra touch, you know. Welcome to the barn, brother. We hope you enjoy these goodies, buddy. Tex, Barn Brand. So that's pretty cool. Just little touches like that really make the difference to me. And you can tell that it's a handmade product and not something that's just mass distributed like some Cremo brand or something like that. Take a look in here. So, got the beard oil. I'm going to go into a little bit of each one of these things separately. This is the balm. This is actually a 1 ounce sample of his anxiety rub. And I'll tell you what I used that for in a minute, and it was really cool. And this bar of soap right here, where did I put that? You know, I obviously open it because I've been using it, but here's the label for it. So it is pineapple pine tar. And let me get my spectacles. I'll read to you some of the ingredients here. Donkey milk, glycerin, coconut oil, jojoba oil wax, shea and mango butter, beeswax, and essential oils. Like everything else that they have, guys, it's all natural products. And you're not going to find some kind of crazy ingredient on here that you're not going to be able to pronounce. But first ingredient, donkey milk. I'm going to be honest, I'm not giving a lot of thought to donkey milk in the past. Maybe some of you guys are out there going, well, hell, I milk donkeys all the time. But listen, you do you, and I'm just telling you right now that these donkeys make pretty damn good soap. So, good stuff. But pineapple and pine tar, if you remember that scent, Tex likes to use a lot of pineapple, a lot of lime, a lot of other good stuff. And I got to tell you, it sounds really unusual, but it's fantastic. I don't know who ever came up with the idea that in order to smell like a man, you need to smell like, you know, landscape mulch or a brick of dog crap. I don't want to smell like a Yankee Candle Company, but I don't want to smell like I live in a ditch either. And I'll tell you that these products are perfect. I mean, these smell great. A little bit of pineapple to it, some lime in there. I mean, this stuff is wonderful. All day long, you catch a whiff of that. My wife loves it. It just smells tremendous. So really good stuff. Again, I don't know where along the lines that we've decided in order to be a man, we need to smell like black mold and diesel fuel. Not the case at all. Tex has it down with Barn Brand Beards and the scents that they have. So the balm, I'll tell you how I like to use these is I'll actually, for myself, everybody's a little bit different. But what I'll do is I'll take a little fingerful of the balm, put it in my palm, and then I'll add some of the oil to it. And I make sure that I really mix it together well. I knead it through all the hair. And that just seems to be the perfect combination for me. And, you know, not a lot of people know this, but I'm bald. And what I like to do is, you know, once I've rubbed it into the beard and everything like that, I'll actually rub that excess onto my head, especially if I've just shaved it. The ingredients in here, like the oils and the coconut oil and all the other, things that go into this. Again, it's all natural, and it just feels great on your skin. And it keeps me from getting all those ingrown hairs and bumps that will sometimes happen, especially when I don't shave my head as regularly as I'd like. So listen, that's amazing, and I love it. The consistency, the balm is really smooth and creamy. Once you get it all worked in, that feels great. What I really like about the oil is the viscosity of it. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. I've tried some from other brands that have been that way. This is absolutely perfect in how smooth it is, and just a few drops of that stuff mixing around, and it's great. And listen, this anxiety rub, I mean, it's the same scent as the rest of the stuff. Absolutely. I mean, just incredible. And you can see I've been using the heck out of this. And a lot of times, if I do have, if I've let my hair on my head grow a little bit too long, and I'm shaving and it just feels kind of tender, I'm actually rubbing this on my head. So Tex, if I don't know if you need to market it towards that, but it's great. And look at the list. I'm just gonna go through a couple of the ingredients that's in that anxiety rub. Cranberry butter, raw yellow shea, ivory shea, refined shea, cocoa butter, kokum butter, mango butter, aloe butter, lavender, clay sage, lemongrass hops extract, whole wood, chamomile extract, marjoram leaf oil. It just keeps going. And then he says this butter relieves minor muscle aches, anxiety, restless sleep, and severe dry skin. And that's kind of what happens, with my head if I don't shave it enough. Packed with antioxidants, and it helps with wrinkled skin, cellulite, patchiness in the beard and cheeks. I'm glad I read that part to you, because I don't grow the thickest beard in the world. It takes me a while to actually to grow my beard, and it was rather patchy, and sometimes it'd be brittle and I'd get split ends. One of the things that I've noticed since I've started using this is that it just feels like, I've got nothing to prove it, but I feel like I'm growing my beard faster, and it feels fuller and healthier, and it's not brittle. I'm having less shedding. So don't know. I don't have anything to prove that, but I'll tell you from personal experience, I certainly feel that way. So guys, make sure, do yourself a favor. Texas is coming out with a lot of new products this fall and winter. A lot of new scents. Again, really cool stuff with lots of pineapple, lots of mango and fruit smells. There's some touches of smoke added in, and some pine and things like that. But you're not going to walk around and again smelling like that, pile of fresh mulch or anything like that. It smells like garbage. I don't get it. But make sure to check him out. I'm going to add some links in the description to both his Instagram page and his website and things like that. Check him out. Incredible guy. Even better products and more to come. You cannot go wrong. What I'll tell you is that the prices cannot be beat. You're not going to find a better product. I personally don't feel you're going to find a better product for the price that what you're going to get from Barn Brand Beards. Love this stuff. I'm now a lifelong fan. So Tex, thanks if you're watching this. I can't wait to try some more of your stuff. And guys, leave some comments. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what kind of beard products you use. Let me know if you've tried out Texas, the Barn Brand Beards product line. Let me know what you think about it. But go check them out, certainly. And good luck with your beard, and go out there and smell good, and give your wife something to hang on to. So take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video. I've got a lot of new videos coming up, especially with Kydex. I got a couple motorcycle videos coming up, some more Viper stuff. So gun stuff, of course, and some grub along the way. So check me out too, Gears, Guns, and Grub, on all the media platforms. So take care, and we'll see you on the next one.